Good morning. A major question I would like to place before you was, if any deity, Tirupati, Venkatesh Perumal, Balaji, or Nadaraj of Chidambaram, Meenakshi of Madurai, wants that non-Hindus should worship them, then how we could call that deity as a god? If that prohibition is there, then those gods were only communal heads. This devaluation, degradation is being caused by the dominant community that was oppressed and objected by Periyar. Several cases are being, how you allow Abdul Kalam to visit Tirupati temple, how you allow Jagan Reddy to visit Tirupati temple. All these things are nonsense. See, you should welcome if somebody coming to our temple and worshipping. Foreigners are worshipping, and you are, because they are giving money, but only for out of jealousy, because some important reception or welcomes are being given, normally rush to the court challenging that they should not enter, we should not enter. So a case, Andhra Pradesh High Court has decided who all are the Christians, whether quo warranto lies if anybody enters the temple, or whether Tirupati Devasthanam is right in permitting non-Hindus to visit or worship the temple, or as a Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he is entitled to enter on different score. But if he is a Jagan Reddy, then he has to give a declaration that, as required under the rules, that he is respecting and accepting the law. It's look like what if any local panchayat leaders in village, if you want to enter, we should get permission from that panchayat elements. Like that, it is all this nonsense restriction was due to the thought of restoring the ecclesiastical system of ruling the people and kingdom. This is what had happened during the black period below 13th century. That always prevailed all over India. Christians ecclesiastical system of ruling, Mohammedan ecclesiastical system of ruling. Then that only inspired here Sankaracharya, Adi Sankaracharya, and other saints were encouraged, and they only created a Hindu religion by giving relationship between one god and another god without any prima facie material, and because only for union. It's just like nowadays collusion, party by collusions are contesting the election. They form a new front for some time thereafter this. But however, we accepted it and it is prevailing. Okay, we will accept all relationship between the gods. And one more thing I would like to share was that God is above all community, creed and standard of lives, like the difference between the human beings and other livings. He is equal for all, and it is your practice of dividing the people on the score of claiming monopoly or trademark of this God and religious worship. Okay, I will now go to the judgment. AR 2021, AR 2020, Andhra Pradesh 55, Andhra Pradesh 55. Alokam Sudhakar Babu versus State of Andhra Pradesh. What he did was, he filed a writ of quo warranto, stating that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister was allowed inside the temple and the rules were violated, and he did not follow the rule. Therefore, he sustained disqualification to be chief ministers. And then they say allegation was that on 23/9/2020, respondent 5, who is a Christian, visited the temple and got the blessings from the temple purohits as per practice and procedure along with his cabinet colleagues. This is what allegation, what nonsense allegations. See, this is fate of in the 21st century. This fate. See how what is your grievance? He is getting blessings from the temple. If somebody non-Hindu religion is getting blessings, very sad state of affairs. These women should be somewhat discarded, incorrigible persons. Okay, then I only give this AR 1965 Punjab Rao versus 1965 SC 1117 Punjab Rao versus DP Mesram case. They discussed about what is professing religion. Then again Rajagopal versus CM Arumugam AR 1969 SC. Those years the case litigations are there. We understand. Even if in 2020 litigations are filed, it is act of shame. Woman being never developed his mind in understanding the concept of religion and God. Then the question arises: who is Christian? Who is professing Christian religion? Then they say there is a difference between native Christians and Christians under Section 3 of Indian Christian Marriage Act 1972. Then the Halsbury second edition says baptism is a sacrament by which person is admitted to the Church of Christ. It is not only a sign and distinguished mark of Christian profession, but also sign of regeneration of new birth. This is what their definition. Then they say, if a person, Christian, is merely attending Christian gospel conventions and attending prayers in churches, one cannot be considered as a Christian. Therefore, even the fifth respondent, Jagan Reddy, has participated in the prayer in Gurudwara. The question asks whether that sufficient that he is belonging to Sikh religion. Therefore, they ruled out that because this is not sufficient to hold that he is a Christian. It is common feature of many converts to new believe or has faith in the saint belonging to other religions. They say, for instance, number of Hindus have faith in the Muslim saints, dargahs, imambadis, which become part of their lives, and some Hindus even adopt Muslim names. This is what they say. Therefore, finally, they held that writ of quo warranto cannot be issued because the allegations are wrong. They simply say as a chief minister he is entitled, and if he is an individual, then whether he has to file Rule 136 about the conditions that he is accepting Lord Venkateswara as his Lord arises. Here, in the given case, the allegations in the writ petition that he only accepted the prayer and the Asirvadam of Lord Venkateswara as a chief minister of the rules provide that if any chief ministers or high dignitaries reach the Tirupati temple, they are entitled for. I want that this religious sentiment should be nationalized. There should not be any difference, but huge lakhs of people are living in that profession of religion, preaching religion, deriving Asirvadams and other things from the Lord and transferring to the human being, the intervener's broker, you may call him whatever he may be. But according to me, the religion is nothing but conscious. If your conscience permit to do something, that is your religion. Your forefathers are God, and other things are business tactics. This judgment may be downloaded and kept on your file. Best wishes.